In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a Monday.com account. Before we start, keep in mind that this process is irreversible. Once your account and data are deleted, you won't be able to recover your boards, updates, files, or automations. So if there's anything you might need later, pause now and export or back it up from your workspace. First, open Monday.com and sign in with an admin user. You need to be an account admin to permanently close the account and remove all data. Once you're logged in, head to any project or board in your workspace. This just gets you into the main interface where you can access the admin menu. At the top or on the left side, look for the main menu area that's being highlighted on screen in this tutorial. Click on that highlight to open your account options. From this menu, choose the administration section. This will take you into the admin panel where you can control global settings for your account. Inside administration, look for the billing tab and click it. Billing is where Monday.com keeps everything related to your plan, payments, and also the option to close your account. Once you're in billing, make sure you're on the overview page. If you're not already there, click Overview to switch to that view. On the billing overview page, scroll until you see the option that says Close My Account. Go ahead and click Close My Account. Monday.com will now show you a confirmation window explaining what closing your account means. When you're ready, click Close Account to proceed. This step typically stops your subscription and deactivates the account. After that, you'll see a confirmation message or summary. Click Got It to continue. At this point, your account is closed, but your data may still be stored for a limited time. If you want everything permanently removed, you need to delete your account data as well. Look for the option that says Delete My Account Data and click it. This opens another confirmation screen, usually with warnings about permanent deletion. Here, choose Delete Account Data for good. Monday.com may ask you to confirm a few more times, sometimes by selecting checkboxes or clicking highlighted areas to acknowledge that you understand the consequences. Follow the on-screen highlights and click where indicated to confirm each of these prompts. Finally, click Delete Data Anyway to complete the process. Once you do this, your Monday.com account data is scheduled for permanent deletion, and you're done.